Okay, today's preparation is murg dhania wala. Otherwise, you can say dhania wala murg. So that means dhania wala. That means green coriander, dhania, dhania murg. So first ingredients is dhania. Second ingredients is chicken, dhania and chicken. So main ingredients dhania and chicken, you will combine it. Okay, and other ingredients onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste, you will mix it. It has nutritional value, best nutritional value, and its color will be green, consistency thick gravy. Okay, so you can try at your home. It is very easy procedure, and I will show you step by step. Just have a look. Just have a look. Okay, so first of all, this is chicken. I will marinate first. So to prepare the marination of chicken, marination of chicken, how we will marinate? Marinate of chicken. This is the chicken, and then I will add salt. This is salt. Okay. Next one is the degi mirch. I will take degi mirch. Little bit degi mirch you will take. Then curd. Here we will take in curd. So little bit curd. Just you will take here little bit. Okay, for marinating purpose. And ginger and garlic paste. Ginger, this one is ginger paste. Okay, and chopped garlic or garlic paste, you can take it. So just rub it. Little bit turmeric powder also you can take here. Turmeric powder little bit. Okay, this one is the turmeric powder. So just mix it very, and keep it near about 1 hour into the refrigerator. This is the procedure of marination. You can add little bit oil. So we are adding refined oil. You can also add mustard oil also. Okay, mustard oil you can also mix. Okay, this way, and then we will store for 1 hour. Another side also. Now stick kadaai and pour oil. So you can take mustard oil, otherwise desi ghee, and otherwise refined oils you can take. Okay, and when it will heat, then we will use khade masala, that means whole khade masala, cinnamon stick, peppercorn, clove, mace, and whole red chili. Okay, she will stick here. That's it. It's easily available at your home. Okay, just take it, and little bit cumin you can mix with your preparation. When it is start crackling, then and there, so you will add chopped onion. can use the high flame. Chopped onion, it will be light brown color, and side by side you also use all other ingredients. That's it. Chopped ginger, little bit, then chopped garlic, and green chili. According to your taste, you can also add green chili. And little bit salt just pour here, so your onion will be easily cooked. Degi mirch, little bit degi mirch, then to enhance the color. Okay, just enhance the color. Just have a look. Then chopped tomato, mix with them. The easy preparation at your home, you can make it. Very easy preparation. Easily you can make it. Okay, just use it. Okay, cook some time. Another pan I have taken here. I will just cook this chicken with oil a little bit. So I will use some oil here. Slow flame. Then use this chicken, marinated chicken, mix with the Then you can also add all Indian spices. So that means coriander powder, just mix with them. And garam masala little bit, you can also mix. Salt little bit according to your taste. Mix here. Just turn this chicken. this way. Now it's already cooked. Now I will make a smooth paste with the help of mixer grinder. Okay. Now you can see chicken already done. Nice color, just have a look. It needs little bit oil, then chicken also you can add it, little oil. Okay, chicken already done. Now I will mix gravy. So I mix the gravy, grind the gravy, onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste and coriander leaf. Just have a look. This is a thick gravy. The thick gravy. Now you can also add little bit water. Okay, it will cook near about 10 to 15 minutes when chicken will tender. That's it. So murk dhania wala. This is the preparation of murk dhania wala.
Give me some plate, man.
So just see this chicken already done. Start plating. garnish with little bit coriander leaf. And little bit cream you can use this way. That's it. It is murg dhania wala, but you can say dhania wala murg. It's the nice gravy, nice preparation. Easily you can make at your home. It is very easy preparation. So try at your home. This is the preparation.